Breaking news this morning, Hurricane Melissa, now a Category 5 storm. The latest advisory coming in from the National Hurricane Center with maximum sustained winds at 160 miles per hour. The pressure has dropped to 917 millibars. It is expected to intensify as we go through this Monday. Melissa now a Cat 5, and you're going to see video pouring in from Jamaica this morning, throughout the day today as well. Melissa now less than 24 hours out from landfall. Talking about extreme rainfall. Storm surge up to 13 feet in some cases, and all of this rain that continues to fall expected to trigger the possibility of landslides across the island. There's a look at Melissa right now. Look how intense this storm is. It's a perfect donut, if you will, with a perfect eye, and you can see the eye wall right smack in the center there. Very nice ventilation with this system. Storm top's impressive when you look at all of the white there, meaning this is a healthy looking storm. And again, it is expected to intensify within the next day or so. Latest information again, 160 miles per hour. This storm currently about 160 miles west, or I'm sorry, 130 miles southwest of Kingston, Jamaica. And then next in line would be Cuba. This is about 315 miles southwest of Guantanamo. So Cuba next in line for this system. It's going to be a long day for the island of Cuba. Some of those outer rain bands will make it to Haiti and the Dominican Republic, but the impacts are significant for Jamaica. We compare the advisory coming in at 5 a.m. compared to what we had with the 2 a.m. advisory. The pressure has dropped quite a bit, from 926 millibars down to 917 millibars. Remember, when the pressure drops, the speeds go up. It's an indication that the storm is intensifying. The west movement continues at about 3 miles per hour. The steering mechanisms, which we have had in place, an area of high pressure, helps to move that to the west, starts to weaken today. And what that means is it starts to move north. What's north of the storm right now? The island of Jamaica. We do have hurricane warnings for the entire island. They are also on portions of Cuba, especially for the eastern and southeastern portions of Cuba. You'll notice tropical storm warnings extend over Haiti, and we're also seeing those over a portion of Cuba. You'll notice the cone, the latest, continues to move over the island of Jamaica and then over portions of Cuba. This has not changed very much since the last advisory from the National Hurricane Center. And here's an up-close view of this. And I was talking about those big, bright storm clouds, the brighter whites and the pinks, indicating how cold and how massive the storm is, especially on the southern side, but really the entire storm itself looking very healthy at this time. Here's the center of the storm south of Kingston, and the radar already picking up all of the rain moving over portions of Jamaica. Storm track takes it over Jamaica, and then eventually, even with land still holding tight as it gets closer to Cuba.